Story time, last 165th episode of Another Day, Another Opening. Umuwi si Joriel galing Italy and we opened some packs of Mega Evolution and we pulled this Ivysaur IR. So we decided to grade it to PSA, so it is here guys. If you're interested in grading your cards, you can contact me at Yan Santos or you can drop off your cards at Cafe Manaya. Ready, game start, here in Tarlac. So let's see what the grade. Hopefully a PS. Oh my god, yes, it is a PSA 9, but it's okay. It is a special moment for us. So trinay din namin ipag-grade tong Naruto Kayu na napull nila Mariel at Joriel and hindi siya grade ng PSA. So sasubmit na lang natin siya sa BGS kasi yun nag-grade pa rin ng Chinese Simplified Kayu cards. So thanks for watching guys. Bye bye.